How to get a mortgage with no down payment. You might be able to buy a home with no down payment, but you will need to be prepared to spend a lot more money in interest. If you have been watching home prices increase while your saving accounts balance stays the same, it probably feels like you never afford a down payment on a home. However, you don't have to give up hope. There are ways to get a house with no money down. Should you do it through while you be able to buy a home? There are long-term costs to consider with no down payment mortgage. Read one to learn more about the pros and cons of zero down mortgage options before you begin comparing mortgage needs. What are no down payment mortgage? A no down payment mortgage does not require you to put any money toward the purchase price of a home. Instead, you can borrow up to 100% of the prices. However, it does not mean your bill is zero. You are going to have to budget for a higher monthly mortgage payment in addition to paying for other fees and closing costs. Can you get a mortgage with no down payment? Getting a zero down payment mortgage is possible, but it's not easy. Most mortgage lenders and programs require that the borrower contributes something to buy a house. You are better off looking for a low down payment mortgage, which is more common. If you are set on spending as little cash as possible upfront and cannot afford a large down payment, there are four common zero down payments options. Type of zero down mortgage VA loans for eligible services members and veterans of the armed forces. As a veterans affair loans comes with big benefits including no minimum credit score requirement and no initial down payments. However, if you make a down payment, it can reduce the cost of your VA funding fee. A one-time fee that pays to the VA in lieu of mortgage insurance. With no down payments, the fee will be 2.15% of the purchase price. If you can put down 5% of the purchase price, that fee shrinks to 1.5%. USDA loans. The US Department of Agriculture supports prospective home buyers who are looking in eligible rural areas with loan options that don't require any money down, while USDA loans don't have a minimum credit score requirement. You will find that most mortgage lenders want to see a score of at least 640 for this type of mortgage. Credit union loans. Zero down mortgage are not available at all credit unions, but you will stumble upon them at certain membership based institutions such as the NASA Federal Credit Union. Look at local credit unions in your area to see if any of them offer these easy paths to home ownership. Loans for medical professionals. With the high cost associated with completing a degree to work in the healthcare industry, some lenders offer zero down mortgage loans specially geared toward qualifying medical professionals. As you work to pay off your student loan debt from med school, this can be a way to help you become a homeowner. Advantages of a no down payment mortgage. Not worrying about a down payment delivers immediately benefits instead of cutting your expenses and savings for a down payment over the next year or much longer. You can jump into the real estate market and buy a house. Plus, you will be able to keep all that cash in your bank account and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a healthy reserve. This one advantages of a no down payment mortgage. While you won't pay any cost now, you will certainly pay in the long run because you will have a much higher loan amount. You have a heavier monthly mortgage payment and pay substantially more interest over the courses of the home loan. Consider the math on the property valued at $275,000 with a 3% down payment.